Extreme capsules is capable of increasing the level of free testosterone in the blood, which will invariably lead to increased libido, sexual desire, stimulation of sensitivity, and increase in the quality of orgasms. Less blood flow may increase, and as a result, the feeling of the cavernous bodies of the penis will increase, due to which it will happen to several repeated sexual intercourses and the most vivid orgasms. Active ingredients. The composition includes only 100% natural ingredients without side effects in the body: Eurocoma longiflower root extract, ginseng red root extract, Damiana leaf extract, extract of leaves of Garanca raw leaf, half-form fruit extract, black pepper extract, vitamin PP, vitamin A, zinc aspartate, manganese gluconate, selector C. Indications. Recommended for men as a source of polyphenolic compounds. Penoxides, arbutin, an additional source of vitamin A, PP, and trace elements, zinc, manganese, selenium, contains flavonoids, steroidal saponins. How to use. Recommendations for use. 1 capsule daily with meals. The duration of admission is 2 to 3 weeks. If necessary, repeat the course. Repeated visits are possible throughout the year. Contraindications. Individual intolerance to the components, high blood pressure, violation of cardiac activity, insomnia, increased nervous excitability, pronounced atherosclerosis. Before use, you should consult with your doctor.